Swagbucks keeps your reward activity connected to your account, which means your payment history can be checked directly from your account dashboard instead of searching through emails or payment records. By the end, you'll know where to find your Swagbucks payment history, what information to look for, and what to check if a payment record is missing. Start by signing into your Swagbucks account using the same login details you use for earning rewards. Once you are logged in, open your account menu and look for the section related to rewards, activity, or account history. This area shows the records connected to your account. Your payment history helps you confirm whether a redemption request was submitted and whether a reward has been processed. If you cannot find a specific payment, first check that you are using the correct Swagbucks account. Many missing history issues happen because users are signed into a different email account. Next, check the status of your reward request. A reward that has been requested may appear differently from one that has already been completed. If you redeemed a reward and the record does not appear, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. This can reload your account information. For app users, make sure the Swagbucks app is updated. Older app versions can sometimes display information differently from the latest version. You should also check your email connected to Swagbucks. Reward confirmations and account updates may be sent there, depending on the type of activity. If your payment history still does not match your account activity, contact Swagbucks support. Provide the email link to your account, the reward type, and details about when you requested the payment. Avoid creating multiple Swagbucks accounts to fix missing records. Keeping activity on one account makes tracking rewards and payments easier. Your payment history is useful for checking completed rewards, reviewing past activity, and confirming that your redemption requests are connected to the correct account. To summarize, check your account dashboard first, verify you are using the correct login, and contact support with details if a payment record is missing. Your next step is to open your Swagbucks account history and compare it with your recent reward activity. If this guide helped you find your Swagbucks payment history, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.